have in the system. So let's suppose if your agent is having a lot of conversation and there is a certain reply that your agent are able to save. So we can create those quick replies by going to the quick reply option in the bottom of the screen when the chat gets opened up, and you can create your own by clicking on add a quick reply, and the system will create a pop-up. And as soon as the pop-up opens up, you can see all the quick replies, and you can click on add a reply and create your own reply also. So just now I created a quick reply with Gugu. You'll be able to see that. And I'm just creating a new quick reply over here itself by writing welcome. Okay. And as soon as I write it and I click on add reply, this will be done. And I can go back to my inbox section and I can use this quick reply to send it to my customers, which will become very easy for my agents to have a conversation with. That's the sign of quick reply. I click on it. Welcome quick reply has already come. I just click on that particular button, just click on send, and the message will be sent to the customer. That's pretty easy.